How to organize AI flashcards by subjects. First of all, open the Knowt app and tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. From the options, select Create Folder and give your folder a name as per your subject. Then tap Create. After that, go to the Library section. Here you will have listed all your flashcards that you have created. Next to the flashcard, there is a three-dot menu, tap on it. From the options, select Move to Folder and choose the folder that you have created for the subject. You can repeat this process for all your flashcards, ensuring each one is organized under the correct subject folder. This makes it easier to focus on a particular subject when studying. You can also rename or rearrange folders anytime to better suit your study plan. Over time, you can create subfolders or use tags for further categorization of topics within each subject. This structured approach saves time and makes your study sessions more efficient and productive. Now you know how to organize AI flashcards by subjects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.